Hello dear students, I am Dharmendra Singh Yadav and I am going to teach you the topic center of mass today. Okay, so today's topic is center of mass. This is the starting topic of the unit 5 of class 11th. Okay, so what is the center of mass? The center of mass of any body is the point where the whole mass is concentrated. Means if body is moving, this body is moving under a certain external force. This is the external force. If body is moving under a certain external force, then the whole mass of this body, means there are many points in this body, and the whole mass, the mass of every point is concentrated at a point. Okay, means if a body is moving, then this point is to be observed. This point, इस point को हम लोग observe करेंगे and we will see the moving and other phenomena of the body. We will discuss the change in position and the velocity and every acceleration of the body with respect to this point. Okay, means the point, every physical system, we can say there is a point on which the entire body's mass is concentrated. This point is center of mass of the body. Then this is the center of mass, center of mass of a two particle system body. Let us consider two particles of mass m1 and mass m2 are situated at a point A and B whose position vector with respect to a origin and a fixed point is r1 and r2. Okay, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis. Okay, let us consider the r1 is the position vector of particle m1 and r2 is the position vector of particle m2, and this is the point where the whole mass of these two particles is concentrated. Let's say a point C where the mass of two bodies, okay, the whole mass of the two bodies is concentrated, and this is known as center of mass and whose position vector is given by RCM. Then we can write the RCM in terms of this way: m1 r1, m2 vector r2 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, so dear children, we can write the position vector of the center of mass of two particle system whose position vectors are r1 and r2. Here RCM is the position vector of center of mass of these two particles. Okay, so two particles, we will discuss the numerical in next lecture for this type and this topic, center of mass of the two particle system. Thank you.